Happy fall, everybody. Welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. Just wanted to pop on and thank you for your warm welcome on my first video. You know, it's been almost a year since I posted, and I just want to thank you all for your patience. Now let's jump right back into the work. Keep in mind, everything is being done in moderation, but you know, I just missed you guys way too much. Now, as an empty nester, I think in terms of 2 for absolutely everything now, and it really saves me a lot of time and, yes, a lot of money. I'm also more practical. I've always been thrifty, as my husband would describe me, but I am even more thriftier now. And it even starts with how I'm doing tablescapes. I'm telling you, it's always going to be about 2 people, and that's that. I'm just not going to overextend any area of my life. I begin by using existing picks, things I already had. These things are still at the craft stores. And guess what, guys? Why go out and buy them? They're dirt cheap, by the way. If you want to get them now, they're almost 60% off. And so I've had these in a tote in a garage to be donated. And I thought, why am I looking at things that I already have? Pull these out, decorate the table. This beautiful fall foliage on these large picks, perfect. Just twirl those vines onto the table. You don't need any glue. You don't need any floral wire. You just need to just spiral them and place the velvet pumpkins that I have here. Those I got last year from Hobby Lobby, and I got them on clearance, like 90% off. So I think I got about 6 or 7 of them, and they're still there. Those pumpkins are still at Hobby Lobby. And then there's other pumpkins that I'm using as table scatter, and that's the other smaller ones, including those that look like vines or wicker. I love those, and I only have 3 of those, by the way, but they still have those also at Hobby Lobby. I placed the 3 large velvet pumpkins down the middle at an angle, you know, like a diagonal line, not really straight, but diagonally. And then since the actual picks are spiraled a little bit, it's going to look like it's in the center. Later when you see this, you will see that I did go back and just it just a little bit and rearrange the larger velvet pumpkins. But I just wanted to give you the general idea about how I got this done. But don't you love the color? The leaves, the vines in that pick are just beautiful. All of that beautiful texture makes an amazing centerpiece without a table runner and without candles. Just an amazing pop of color on your table. I love this. What I did was to alternate the location of each of the pumpkins. So if I use that wicker one, then on the left, then I'd use it on the right. And I only had 3 of those. So, you know, they were on opposite ends and in the middle. And then the same thing for the white ones. If I put one on the left, then I put one on the right. That way I didn't have a concentration of color in one spot. And this is great for a buffet, a kitchen island, a console, or even a coffee nook that you have in your kitchen and you don't have anything there, not even a coffee station, but something pretty like this sitting out and displayed in the kitchen for a pop of color, even on that breakfast table on a smaller scale. So I really like this. Simple and easily done in about 5 minutes. Now, these are a few of the items that are currently at Hobby Lobby right now. I wouldn't be showing you this if I didn't find them super affordable, being that they are, I think they're at 50% off right now, if not more. But going into Christmas, I'm sure that they're going to be chopping these prices even below 50 very, very, very soon. So this is stuff, like I said, I had last year. So it's there again, and they repeat this year after year after year. So you'll see a plethora of supplies, and you can do something quick and easy like this for fall. Mix it with a little Dollar Tree. Who will be the wiser? Now, I've had this large leaf bowl for a while. They come in two sizes, and I only have one, but this is where I place 3 of those velvet pumpkins. And here is our place setting, and it's using existing items that I already had. You know, I love, love, love these plates. They just remind me of things done on a pottery wheel. They just remind me so much of beautiful pottery. Now, the napkins I've had for a while, everything I've had for a while, guys, and I mean a couple of years. So I can't tell you where I got these things from. They may be around someplace at or Hobby Lobby or someplace like that, or even Walmart or Target. I can't really say. But anyway, they've been with me for a while. The other thing is flatware. And I get questions about the direction of the knife. Listen, I don't like the fact that there's a company logo on the knife. So I turn my knife away from that. I don't care how that is stamped on there. I'm going to turn it in the opposite direction. And I chose to use the salad plate as a saucer for the cup because I'm not using an actual placemat here. So I'm taking the salad plate because it isn't that large, and placing it under this very chunky cup. And I'm turning the handle toward the actual person sitting at the table. My hubby is a lefty, so that cup handle in that direction is so much easier for him. Now, when we go out to dinner, I notice that my husband's glass or cup always ends up on the left. So why not implement this at home? This is what he gets. You got to break the rules to be accommodating. The coffee cup and glass are on the left. Just a little marital and relationship advice, darlings. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.